Yo, what's going on? It's a boy Someone to be back again on my YouTube channel. So I know that it's been a while that I've posted a video or anything like that, but we've been on the sidelines just trying to push as much as we can, obviously with the short amount of time that we have in the streets. So I was like literally just putting in the work, just making sure that whenever I come back with value, but whenever I come back with a lot of like things that you're gonna learn from and a lot of experiences that you can get from me. I'm obviously just sharing my stories, sharing my document and everything, my journey most importantly. So yeah, we are now on the way to Durban. We're gonna see what's happening that side for a week, and obviously you know how it is, like whenever you just want to clear your mind off things, you go to a different location, different place, and then you learn some of the things that they're doing out there. But yeah, we're about to get there within a few minutes. I'll make sure to just take down some of the experiences that we're gonna be having that side. And yeah, I was like literally asleep. I just woke up like a few minutes ago, which is amazing still. But yeah, let's get on with today's topic. So what I want us to do here is that I want us to cover or take a look at US30. I want us to see actually what's going to happen for the week, how we can take advantage of it, and how we can make the most money from just seeing that it's gonna buy or sell. So even the previous week, guys, last week we actually caught a beautiful buy. I think we clocked over maybe 17k. We made over 17k from the trade. I'll try to put the trade one of the videos that I took of it here, and then you can see from it. But it was a beautiful setup that we caught, and you'll just see how it is. You'll just see how it went. And make sure that you like, make sure that you subscribe. Obviously, comment below what you guys like, what you guys don't like, and yeah, let's just focus on improvement and growth, guys. Let's focus on that. So what's actually going on right here, guys? You can simply see that we've got US30. US30, beautiful, looking nice. Let me just start off first with the bigger scale, 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, right here. Okay, you can simply see we've got our first touch here, second touch right here. We've also got our third touches here. So basically we're seeing prices going all the way up to here. Now we're seeing price going all the way up to higher highs. Now that's on the fourth touch. I remember we also caught a buy here. This was also a trade that we actually benefited from in real life. We caught a trade here and then we went a bit more to the upside with it. Benefited, we took some profits. I forgot how much it was, but we took profits, and I think I spoke about it. Okay, 60 minutes. Let's go. Okay, so now on the 60 minutes you can simply see what's going on here. Obviously price is impulsing. We reached like a complete correction here. Then it broke out of structure here, boom, went up. I was like, we're going for highs here, but didn't reach target. So yeah, remember we bought here. We actually bought here. It was a trade that we took on Thursday or Friday. It was on Friday. We bought here, and then boom, it went up. As soon as it got here, I saw 5-minute candles going down. Then I was like, sell. I'm taking my profits. We closed 17k. Then we were out. The price came back, and this is a form of retest. You can simply see Friday I was like, should I buy? I was like, no, let me not buy it around this area. Let me wait for Monday and see. But already Monday in the morning, price started moving upwards around 2 a.m. You can see here 2 a.m. price started to shoot upwards now. And then what happened is that as soon as we got here around these areas, we started reaching like a correction type of zone, like something like this, impulse correction. So now here I was like, okay, no, we're seeing that we are now in a corrective phase. Let's go on the 15 minutes. 15 minutes I was like, okay, no, I'm seeing that I am in a corrective phase. Like you can simply see, obviously, impulse correction. It broke out, boom, and then now I'm taking this maybe as a retest, this area as a retest, but already I bought some around here. So here I was in profits, obviously. Then here it means that I'm now close to break even. I didn't yet close my stop loss, my trades and stuff, but instead I moved my stop loss from all the way here up until here. So I just need to update it in the team so they're also able to see. So I'm no longer going to be risking or losing 1% as a fool. I'm just going to be risking or losing literally just a few pips, which is hopefully 0.50%. So if I was looking to lose 1,000, I'm gonna lose 500 because of it has already impulsed in my direction. So I'm just waiting for it to confirm future moves and stuff, and then yeah, let's see. Okay, let me just remove this for now. So obviously what I'm looking at now is that, like, I was taking a look at this whole portion here being our first targets, and then when price gets here, obviously I'll just see what happens, how it breaks out of there. But that being our first targets, this being our second targets. And why is it our second targets? Let me do this so you are able to see much clearly. Okay, this being our second targets, and then obviously our overall targets being all the way up here at the highest, all the way up at the highest. So even if you don't catch this trade that we're in, and then maybe it goes down a bit, it plays a bit, or it does anything, as long as you've got, it breaks above here, you can buy above here, you can buy above here, and you can hold all the way to this area, 35,034.7 level, the 35,000 key level, somewhere around these areas, which is amazing. It's gonna be looking great. I can't wait to literally just so far this one here has been moving well. So, and I like the fact that it's already like, a beautiful trade, because I'm not gonna risk the full 1% on it, It's not like me risking full 1% on it. So let's take a look at US30. I mean Nasdaq, US100. Okay, let's take a look at Nasdaq. Let me just clean charts on it. Start off first with the 4-hour, just so we are able to see the bigger momentum. Okay, already with this one I can see a clean buy, and the reason would be obviously this double bottom. Not only that, but obviously because of the fact that this area was a resistance, price broke out, now it came back to retest. So with this one here, I'm already seeing a buy without having to analyze, do all my chart works and all those things. Like, no need for me to drop them. Like, it's literally as simple as that. Double bottom down here, price broke out here impulsively, came back to retest. So let's see what more is being printed now. Let's focus on now the current. Okay, so obviously with this one here, I think I'm already seeing a left shoulder right here, left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. So basically I'm seeing a left shoulder here, head, and the right shoulder. So price has broken out of the neckline, which is here. Price is broken out of the neckline clean. So with this one here, we're seeing an opportunity to go to the upside. Obviously our first buy just there, to be on the safer side, just there. Stop loss just there, and then targets, we can have overall targets, we can have first targets, we can have all these things, but I wouldn't mind taking profit right here. Just still amazing. You managed to bank 3.2%, which is still amazing on Nasdaq, guys, which is still amazing on Nasdaq. So I think these are going to be the trades that I want to focus on for today. Obviously, Mondays, it's like it's not too fast, it's not too volatile as your Wednesdays, as your Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays are like amazing days. Monday is just like a bit, price can just impulse in your direction, the next thing, boom, it impulses against you. So you need to be a bit more careful with that, and you need to just make sure that you remove as much risk as possible that you can off the table, because once you have trades that are running, doesn't mean that there's no risk at all. There could still be risk, but you just have to be smart with it. So yeah, that's just one thing I'm gonna leave you guys with, especially on Nasdaq, on US30. I believe that in the long-term perspectives, we will be holding buys and stuff. So you just need to be a bit more careful with how you enter, what your risks are, and how you actually manage the trade. Because once you're in a trade, that doesn't mean that it's already profitable. How you manage the trade is what makes it more profitable. So you can either bank 1% a break even, or 10 times whatever that you would have risked, because of how you manage a specific trade, guys. So for this week, just go in with a positive mindset. Just know that whatever that happens in the markets is like your outcomes, but your outcomes doesn't mean that's your reality. That doesn't mean that it's your situation for life. It could be just temporary. So even if you take a negative loss for the week, that doesn't mean that you are one that takes losses only in the markets. It's just a negative week for you, just like it could be a positive week. So you just have to be positive in the mindset, move forward with a positive mindset, and just obviously make sure that more opportunities are going to come your way. And if you have this mindset, guys, I know that you are going to win for sure. You have to win. It's your Bailey Somo to be. Make sure that you guys are subscribed. Make sure that you guys are literally liking down the video, and share with friends and family so they are able to see how we see the charts. And I'll see you guys on the next video.